don't think you're allowed to smoke in here.
Oh dear, what will become of me?
My mother is a police officer. She could arrest you.
Oh, I think I might know your mother.
What's your name?
Lucifer.
Apple.
Exactly.
My name's Beatrice, but everybody calls me Trixie.
That's a hooker's name.
What's a hooker?
Ask your mother. So, why are you in trouble?
You that girl over there? She was bullying me. She created a fake Snapchat account and used it to make fun of me. So, I kicked her and then no touch to swear.
Oh, I see. Well played. Well played indeed. Hello, mean girl. Did you know there's a special section of hell reserved for bullies? So, have fun.
What did you do?
Oh, I just think someone's feeling a little guilty.